News Show is sponsored by Elite Therapeutic, located 319 East Main Street in Perry, Indiana. Their phone number is 812-723-1881.
Good morning, I'm Joni, and this is your PHS News Today for Monday, November 19th. Please support hosts of Future Health Professionals. We will be selling pizza during lunch, during A lunch, B lunch, and junior high lunch on November 20th. It will be $2 a slice or $16 for a whole pizza. Are you thinking about lunch? Check out the cafeteria serving up today. And now to Audrey with the Ram Sports Report.
Thank you, Joni. Friday, girls JV basketball lost and varsity won against Austin. Girls junior high basketball will be home tonight against Mitchell starting at 6. Come support your Rams in action tonight. Back to you, Joni.
Yearbooks are for sale for $35 in Mrs. Nichols' room. You can drop off money in the office or in room 115. If you have any questions, please contact Mrs. Nichols. And now to Colin with your weather report.
Thanks, Joni. As you see here, we have about a 10% chance of rain. Shouldn't see anything but clouds in your day. Today's high is 43, and our low of 33. Tuesday's high of 37 and a low of 26, and Wednesday's high of a 29 and a low of 49 and a low of 29. Back to you, Joni.
I'm Joni, and that's your PHS News Today. Have a Joni-tastic day.